Next, we are going to implement the edit category feature of the category management module in our bookstore website project. Here's our task list. First, we need to create edit category Servlet class to display the details of a selected category. You see the category list, and when the user clicks the edit button next to a category, the edit category Servlet is invoked to display the detail and allows the admin to edit the category. And we need to update the category form page accordingly. And when the user click the save button in the category form, the update category Servlet class is invoked to proceed the changes into the database. And of course, we need to update the category services class accordingly. And this is the category form in edit mode.